Hi, welcome to back my VGR land channel. Today ChatGPT prompts I will tell you the retail store transactions. The after that click this upload. What is the bill dashboard is observing. First is taken this thinking and analyzing those internal sources. After that take you observe this the preparation previous the done. I built Excel retail store dashboard from transaction including total sales and transaction, united sales, average transactions values, and monthly sales trending, sales by store location, sales by payment type, support by data sheets, key results. This transactions, units, average transactions, dollar retail store dashboard is the retail store transaction dashboard is give the download. This is the we observe this the retail store transactions. I will download this. We observe this one. This way you can download also. After download, I will show you this one. You observe this. I give the retail store performance dashboard is the it is given the distraction of 1 minute. It is the graphic mode, chart mode, pie chart mode is the barcode mode. It is the total sales. This one is the transactions, and second one this is the sales by store location, monthly sales trending, sales by products, and this is the total pie diagram is there. The sales gift cards and the sales in cash and debit card, credit card, all and that is the very easy. The another prompt one is the